Hello, this is Shuttle Commander Jackie. Welcome to Space Shuttle 23. Next to me is my second in command pilot Braden. Also on board are our mission specialists Ewan, Sam, Jami, Kylie, Emily, Dylan, and Jenica. We will be taking you on a quick tour of our solar system. We hope you enjoy the trip. Let's start with mission specialist Braden as we approach the planet of Mercury.
Hi, my name is Braden. This planet is Mercury. The size is 4,879 kilometers. The color is dark gray. The distance from the sun is 0.39 AU. Its name is from Roman mythology. Mercury is the god of commerce and travel and thievery. The position is first in the 8 planets. It takes 88 days to orbit the sun. It's 58 days, just one day on Mercury. The temperature can be to 430 Celsius to negative 170 Celsius. There's 0 moons, there's no rings. It's made of 75% iron and some metal. Who discovered it? The Sumerians did. It was discovered in 3000 BCs ago. Some 3 fun facts are Mercury is the smallest in the 8 planets. Every 7 years you can see Mercury from Earth. After Earth, Mercury is the second densest planet.
Hi, my name is Venus, and it is 3,760 miles long. Venus is a beige color. It is 67.24 million miles from the sun. Venus is named after the ancient Roman goddess of love and beauty, with the Greek name being Aphrodite. It is the second planet from the sun, so as you can tell, it gets pretty hot there. Venus can get up to 864 Fahrenheit. It takes Venus 225 Earth days to travel around the sun, and 243 Earth days to rotate once. Venus has no moons and no rings. Venus has an iron core, and its mantle is made of hot rock. The surface is a thin crust of rock. Galileo discovered Venus around 1610. Venus's atmosphere is mainly carbon dioxide, and its clouds are made up of sulfuric acid droplets. On Venus, Maxwell Montes is the tallest volcano at 20,000 feet. If you're ever trying to find Venus, it'll be pretty easy because it is the brightest object in the night sky.
Hello, my planet name is Earth. Right now, Earth is the only planet that has life on it. Earth is the 3rd planet away from the sun. It is only 1 AU away from the sun. It is 3,959 miles long. Its color is blue and green. If Earth was a mythical god's name, it would mean the ground. It takes 365 and a quarter day to orbit the sun. It has 24 hours. It takes 24 hours per day. Earth's average temperature is 61 degrees. Earth only has 1 moon. Earth has no rings around it. Earth is made of magnesium, aluminum, and iron. The person who discovered Earth is Nicholas Copernicus. Now time for the fun facts. Did you know that if the sun was as tall as a door, Earth would be the size of a nickel? Also, did you know some people say that they think Venus is Earth's twin? That was Earth. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
Hi, my name is Jenica, and my planet is Mars, the red planet. Mars's diameter is 6,794. Mars's surface is brown, golden, or tan. Mars looks red because of the oxidation, or rusting. Mars is 1.52 AU from the sun. Mars's name means Roman god of war. Mars is the 4th planet from the sun, and its orbit is 687 Earth days. Its rotation is 1.03. The surface temperature is going to feel like spring at 75 Fahrenheit and winter ahead at 32 Fahrenheit. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos, Rhea, and Deimos, Panic. Mars is made of rocks and has 0 rings. Mars was discovered by Christian Huygens in 1659. Exploring Mars would be hard because of the thin air.
My planet is Jupiter. It is 142,984 kilometers in diameter. It is 5.20 astronomical units away. Jupiter comes from the Latin word Lupiter, which was ultimately delivered from the Indo-European Diopater. It is the fifth planet from the Sun. It takes 11.9 Earth years to travel around the Sun, and one day on Jupiter is 9.9 hours. The temperatures are negative 234, and in its atmosphere it can get up to 1,340 degrees Celsius. It has 63 moons and 4 rings. It has a dense core made of rock and iron, and thick mantle of liquid hydrogen helium surrounding its core. It was discovered by Galileo on January 10th, 1610. And 3 interesting facts about Jupiter are it takes 1,300 Earths to fit in Jupiter. 6 space probes have been to Jupiter. And Jupiter is our biggest planet in the solar system.
My name is Jackie. My planet is Saturn. The size is 142,984 kilometers. The color is yellow and white. The distance from the sun is 888.2 million miles. The mythical god is the god of agriculture. The position in the solar system is the 6th planet. It takes 29 years to orbit around the sun. The length of the day is 10.5656 hours. The temperature is 288 degrees Fahrenheit, and it has at least 61 moons. It has 4 main groups of rings. It's made of hydrogen and helium. Galileo discovered the planet and discovered in 1610. It has the most rings. Its moon Titan is bigger than Mercury, and Saturn is 9.5 times bigger than Earth.
Hi, I'm Yolan, and today we're going to be exploring Saturn. Did you know that the size of Saturn is 129,536 kilometers? The color of it is orange and yellow. The distance from the sun is 9.54 AU. The position in the solar system for Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun. A length of a day takes about 10.7 years. It's 178 Celsius, and it has about 62 moons. And here are some fun facts. Saturn is so light that if there was a bathtub big enough, it would float on water. It has the biggest rings in the known solar system, and Saturn's largest moon, Titan, has atmosphere containing methane and hydrogen.
Hi, my name is Kylie. I'm in Shuttle 23. Behind me you see the planet Uranus. It's a blue-green color, and its size is 51,118 kilometers. It is approximately 19.2 AU from the sun. Uranus was named after the Greek god of the sky, Zeus. It is the 7th planet from the solar system, and it takes about 83.8 Earth years to travel around the sun. It takes about 172 Earth days to rotate. It is negative 224.2 Celsius on Uranus, and it has 27 plus moons. It has 2 sets of rings, and it is made of water, ammonia, and methane. It was discovered by William Herschel. William discovered it on March 13th, 1781. Uranus rotates from top to bottom instead of side to side. It rotates on a 98-degree angle. It was the first planet to be discovered by a telescope, and it is the 7th planet from the sun, as I said.
Hi, my name is Jami, and my planet is Neptune. The size of my planet is 15,299 kilometers. The color of my planet is blue. My Neptune was named after the god of the sea, and it means wet, damp cloud. The position of my planet in the solar system is the 8th planet from the sun. It takes 165 years to orbit the sun. The length of a day on Neptune is 16 hours and 6 minutes. It is negative 218 degrees Celsius, and my planet has 13 moons. My planet doesn't have any rings. My planet is made of gas, and who discovered my planet was John Gottfried Galilee and John Couch Adams and Urbain Leverrier. It was discovered in 1846. Neptune has the second largest gravity of any planet in the solar system, second only to Jupiter. Neptune has a very active climate. Neptune is the only one spacecraft that has flown by.
This is Shuttle 23, and we're signing out.